Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will review another e-store, that is greenlifecookware.com. If you want to know about either it is legit or a scam store, please stay tuned with us, watch the video till the end and got the answer that it is legit or a scam store. So let's begin with our video. It is actually a well-known cookware e-store. It has gained immense popularity due to its quality, efficient product and incredible customer assistance. Like in United States, it is the first preference of the people. Moreover, the brand runs as per the trend to match your kitchen interior. Its sleek design and attractive color make it more desirable. Nevertheless, the store is effectively planned with easy to use interface so that everybody can find their requirements after a few clicks. So the best feature of this website is its color based category, which makes it convenient for the shoppers. So let's check the specification of this Green Life cookware store. The website address is www.greenlifecookware.com. Their product is cookware. The domain was registered on 14th November 2012. They have never provided any discount. Transportation cost, free fast shipping on order of $49.99. Their shipping duration is 2 to 6 business days. You can return or exchange within 30 days, but there is no refund available. The payment method they have mentioned are PayPal, Apple Pay, major credit cards and debit card. So let's check the benefits of shopping from Green Life cookware store. The brands actually contain an extensive collection of designer cookware. The website is HTTPS protected and also has a mail server, and the interface is attractively designed with all the needed features. There are positive shoppers remarks uploaded on the website, and the website contain healthy recipes on it, but it do have some negative points. These are, the website does not have any money saving offers on it, like they are not offering you any type of discount, and some people question its products durability. So the question we have is Green Life cookware is legit? As we always suggest our viewers to verify the web's trustworthiness, because these days many imitative stores are present on the internet to accomplish their scamming intention. So as content quality is concerned, we find the original plus informative content on the website. It has official Facebook and Instagram page. It is about 8 years old domain, and it will expire on 14th November 2024. So on the Green Life cookware, customer have posted their honest feedback about the product and the website services. Further, as per the customer review, the website offer excellent product at fair prices, but some people seems a little upset with product they have received. So in consideration of these reviews, we can say that this e-store, that is Green Life cookware, is a legit store. Similarly, people can trust this store as the website has qualified legitimacy criteria. We will recommend you to go through all the customer reviews before the order placement, as offered product have gained mixed feedback. So by the end you will have easy decision to decide either to buy the things or not from this store.